Have you ever thought about selling online courses? In the digital age, online courses are skyrocketing in popularity. They've become a powerful tool for sharing knowledge, generating income, and building personal brands. People are seeking educational opportunities that cater to their schedules and specific needs, and online courses provide just that. So if you have a skill or knowledge to share, why not consider this avenue? If you've ever considered this path, this video will guide you on how to create and market your own online courses. First things first, you need to decide on a topic for your course. This decision is critical because it will set the tone for everything else that follows. Now, you might be wondering, how do I decide on a course topic? Well, the answer is quite simple. Choose a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Passion fuels your commitment, and knowledge ensures that you can provide value to your students. It's a perfect blend that can make your course a success. But that's not all. You also need to consider the market demand for your chosen topic. If there's a high demand for your course topic, then it's a green signal. But if the demand is low, don't be disheartened. It just means you need to dig a little deeper or pivot slightly to find that sweet spot where your expertise and market demand intersect. And we can't forget about competition. It's a reality in every marketplace, including online courses. Understanding your competition can give you insights into what's working and what's not. It can help you differentiate your course and make it stand out. So remember, choose a topic you're passionate about, one you're knowledgeable in, but also one that's in demand and does not have oversaturated competition. Once you've identified your course topic, it's time to plan your content. A well-structured course is key to engaging your audience. Now that we've ignited interest and identified our course topic, let's dive into the heart of course creation, planning your content. Think of your course as a journey. You're the guide, leading your learners from one point to another, with checkpoints along the way. These checkpoints are your modules and lessons. Start by breaking down your course into modules. Each module should focus on a specific aspect of the topic. For instance, if you're teaching a course on digital marketing, you might have modules on SEO, social media marketing, and content marketing. Within each module, you'll have lessons. These are bite-sized, digestible chunks of information that gradually build up the learner's understanding of the module's topic. Each lesson should have clear objectives that align with the overall learning goals of the module. Now let's talk about balance. A great course isn't just about theory. It's also about practical application. Make sure to include exercises, case studies, and real-world examples in your course. This not only makes the course more interactive, but also helps learners apply what they've learned in a practical context. Remember, the goal is not to overwhelm, but to enlighten. Don't pack too much information into a single lesson. Keep it concise, clear, and engaging. With your course well planned, it's time to create it. And that's what we'll be discussing in the next scene. So stay tuned. Before we dive deeper into creating your course, let's take a moment to mention an excellent example of an online course, YouTube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. This course is a perfect example of how you can successfully share your knowledge and expertise with the world. It's designed to teach you all about YouTube and how to operate your own channel, even if you don't want to be on camera. You'll learn how to create a faceless channel just like this one. And the best part is, you don't have to make your own videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. Interested? You can find more information about this course in the description below this video. It's completely free to check it out. And it's a fantastic resource if you're considering launching your own online course. Now that we've seen a successful example, let's continue our journey into course creation. And in the next scene, we'll be discussing how to bring your planned course to life. Stay tuned. Creating your course content can be a fun and enlightening process. It's about giving life to your ideas and sharing your expertise in a way that is easily digestible and engaging for your future students. First, let's talk about the different formats for course content. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here, and the format you choose largely depends on your course material and target learners. You could go for videos, which are a popular choice due to their visual appeal and the ability to demonstrate concepts in real time. A well-produced video can keep your learners engaged and make complex topics seem less intimidating. Then there's audio. If you have a knack for storytelling, or if your course content doesn't require visual demonstration, audio lessons can be a great option. They're perfect for learners on the go who might want to consume your content during a commute or a workout. Text-based content, on the other hand, is a classic. It's straightforward, accessible, and great for learners who prefer reading at their own pace. This could include ebooks, worksheets, and quizzes. Of course, you can mix and match these formats to cater to different learning styles and keep your course dynamic. Now, regardless of the format you choose, remember that quality is key. High-quality content is not just about having the right information. It's about presenting it in a way that's clear, concise, and engaging. Good presentation skills can make a world of difference in how your content is received. So, invest time in improving your delivery, whether it's through refining your writing style for text-based content or honing your on-camera presence for video lessons. Finally, remember to always keep your audience in mind. Understand their needs, their pain points, and their learning preferences. This will not only help you create content that resonates with them, but it will also make your course more impactful and memorable. Once your content is ready, it's time for the next big step: marketing your course. Because no matter how great your course is, it won't matter if no one knows about it. But that's a topic for another scene. Stay tuned. Marketing is crucial for the success of your online course. It's the bridge that connects your knowledge with those who need it. So let's dive into some strategies that can help you market your course effectively. First off, we have social media. It's a powerful tool to reach a wide audience. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn are filled with potential students. You can engage with them by sharing valuable content related to your course, answering questions, and creating a community around your topic. Next up is email marketing. This is an excellent way to establish a direct line of communication with your audience. You can send updates about your course, share exclusive content, and provide special offers. Remember, it's not just about selling, it's about building relationships and trust. Now let's talk about content marketing. This strategy revolves around creating and sharing valuable, relevant content to attract and engage your target audience. This could be blog posts, podcasts, infographics, or YouTube videos. The key is to offer value first, then gently guide your audience towards your course. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is another essential tool. By optimizing your course description, landing page, and any associated content with relevant keywords, you can improve your visibility on search engines. It's a long-term strategy, but it can bring a steady flow of organic traffic. Lastly, we have paid ads. This includes platforms like Google AdWords or Facebook ads. Paid advertising can give your course an immediate visibility boost. It's a quicker way to reach your audience, but it does come with a cost. Make sure to target your ads effectively to get the most out of your budget. So, whether you choose social media, email marketing, content marketing, SEO, or paid ads, remember that consistency is key. Stay patient, keep refining your strategies, and don't be afraid to experiment. With the right marketing strategies, your course can reach the right audience and generate sales. And that, in essence, is the goal of marketing your online course. Engaging with our community is just as important as marketing your course. Once you've drawn people in with your marketing strategies, you need to keep them hooked, interested, and invested. So, how can we do that? Let's explore. Firstly, start discussions on your social media platforms. Encourage your followers to share their thoughts and opinions on your course topic. This not only maintains interest, but also fosters a sense of community. Secondly, provide regular updates. Keep your audience informed about your course progress, any new content, or upcoming events. Remember, communication is key. Thirdly, consider hosting live Q&A sessions. This can be done through live streams on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Live sessions provide a real-time interaction platform, allowing you to address any questions or concerns your audience might have. It also shows that you're genuinely invested in their learning journey. Fourthly, create a feedback mechanism. This could be a simple online form or an email address where your audience can send their feedback. Constructive criticism can help you improve your course and tailor it to better meet your audience needs. Lastly, consider creating a community space. This could be a Facebook group or a forum on your website. Here, your audience can interact with each other, share their learning progress, and support each other. This sense of community can significantly enhance the learning experience and keep your audience engaged with your course. Remember, engagement doesn't end once the course is sold. It's an ongoing process that can significantly increase the success and longevity of your course. So keep the conversation going, foster a supportive community, and make your online course not just a product, but an experience. If you've made it this far, it's clear that you're serious about creating and marketing your own online course. But remember, the learning doesn't stop here. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us to reach more people like you, who are passionate about sharing their knowledge and expertise. And while you're at it, why not hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications? This way, you'll be first in line to receive our latest tips, tricks, and insights to help you on your course creation journey. Your support means the world to us, and it allows us to continue creating and sharing content that helps you achieve your goals. So don't miss out. Subscribe and join our community of successful course creators today. Now, let's recap what we've learned. Creating and selling an online course may seem daunting, but it's perfectly achievable with the right steps. We've journeyed together through the process, so let's take a moment to revisit the key points. Firstly, we sparked our interest in online courses, understanding their value and potential. We acknowledged that online courses are not just a trend, but a sustainable way to share knowledge and skills and generate income. Next, we delved into identifying our course topic. We discovered that the key to a successful course lies in marrying our passion and expertise with the needs and wants of our target audience. We learned that conducting market research and understanding our audience's pain points are crucial in this phase. After identifying our topic, we moved on to planning our course content. We discussed the importance of structuring our course in a way that's digestible and engaging. We outlined the need for a mix of video lectures, quizzes, and interactive elements to cater to different learning styles and ensure the course is both informative and engaging. Then we explored the actual creation of the course. We learned about various course creation platforms and the importance of high-quality content. We discussed that investing time in creating engaging videos, informative slides, and interactive quizzes can make a world of difference in our course's success. And lastly, we talked about marketing our course. We learned that having the best course in the world means nothing if no one knows about it. We discussed various marketing strategies, from social media marketing to email campaigns, to make our course visible and attractive to our target audience. In summary, creating and selling an online course involves identifying a suitable topic, planning engaging content, creating the course with quality materials, and marketing it effectively to reach our target audience. It might seem like a lot, but remember, every journey starts with a single step. With these steps, you're well on your way to launching your own successful online course. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.